Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have to interchange the position of DOB and ID. So how we can place DOB at first position or we can shift this ID to the end. Let's see how we can do that. So there are a lot of methods in Excel you can perform. The best method I tell you, you can copy the DOB and then you can paste here. The problem here is that once you paste this, the format is actually almost lost because you have to copy and add this ID. So that's not something which we need. We have to retain the DOB format because if you type any date, it actually a number in Excel. Excel stores dates as number or any programming language. What is date, guys? Date is nothing but a number. So how we can retain this? So you can copy this, Control C, come there and simple single quote you can mention. And then you can copy this ID, pass this ID, or maybe, yeah, that's the way. Remove the space. And once you have this pattern ready, you can simply press Control E. So this is not working at all. So I'm talking about flash fill. I'm talking about flash fill. At the keyboard shortcut is Control E, guys. So keyboard shortcut Control E, flash fill. Now the problem is this is not working. Then how do we handle this in a different way? I have a small data set. So rather space, you can give this vertical bar. Once you have given the pattern, simply press Control E and the task is done. But guys, instead of this vertical bar, we need a space. So you can select this entire data, Control H. So what is Control H? To replace. Okay, to find and replace with. What are you finding? This vertical bar or replace with space. And guys, now you can click on replace all. Now see that it's still not working. It's still not working. No problem. So you can select again all the data, Control H. This is the vertical bar. And that you can give some space. All right. So it's still not working. How is this possible? If it is not working, no problem. You can use substitute function. All right. So substitute function and then old text. This is the old text you can replace with space and then you can close the formula. So this has been done, guys, with formula still faster, but I'm not happy. We have to achieve this with Control H itself. It happens many a time that Control H does not work. Then what could be the reason, guys? So here you can see find and you can see replace. But what I'm getting here, come on, insert text. I'm doing again. This is the find vertical bar and replace this. Maybe you can replace this with this. Let's see. Replace all. This is working. Can you see that this is working? Unfortunately, if I replace with this, like I want to replace this vertical bar, this space, whether it will work or not. Congratulations, it's working. So you have to attempt at least 1 or 2 times, then it will work. All right, it's working. You saw that. 18th March 66 and this ID and 2nd of May 77 and this ID 65. So it's working. All right. So, such is the best formula or tactics to get the data in a faster manner. Now, how do we achieve this with different method? See, you can extract ID or you can extract DOB. So simply Control C and then you can paste here. So guys, you can press Control E or Control E. ID and DOB has been extracted. Now you have to interchange. So you have another way, like you can concatenate this ampersand, give some space, ampersand, give this ID. Unfortunately, the format is lost. So you have to restore the format by using text function. And there you can see DD triple M YY. And guys, see that the format is restored. I hope you are clear. Now there are too many things which we can do together. All right. How we can interchange? So you can extract the last name, and you can extract the first name, first. How can you do that? Last name, first name. So what is last name? DOB. So here you can use write function. From write, how many character you want? That we have to find out. So total length we have to calculate. That minus the space. What are you finding? Space over there. And see that we got the DOB extracted. This DOB we extracted through write function, which is getting us the text output. Now, how do we extract the first name? You can use left formula. From left, how many character we want? Use find function, space you are locating, and that minus one. And see that my ID, which is again in text, we extracted with left formula, is coming correct. Now, how we can join that? So guys, you have to concatenate the DOB and first name. You know, DOB, this is the DOB, give some space, and then first name. Now, there is no format restoring because you are concatenating text with text. That's why the result is coming so smoothly. I hope you found this useful today. We learned how we can generate the same output with flash fill and the same output with left or right formula. Thank you so much, guys.